U MLA ka South Shillong u Baksan Bor Shlai ha kasni palay ula plipat ba ya ka police booth Laban Red Cross ya ka balateling ba ka discretionary grant ka bakot waypoint life holak tingka. Haba ajing kran ha ka jingalang hadin ka jing IT ya ka ni ka police booth siya ka Shillong Traffic Police u Baksan Bor ulaong baka jing te ya ka ni ka police booth kalawan long hadin ka jing kerpat ka ba ula yok pediang na kipat ba ka tan Kibalapan pawe ka jing so kia halor ka jing ha kalit kawan namar ka jing kapnya ha ka ni ka jaka. Ngidon kam ya ka ni ka police booth kenang banla ban penyat bet ha ka bayade berkalit kawan jung kali berkenang ban pentikna na ka benta ka jing shingan jung kipat ba nonglet nongwan kentop ya ki kena school benrap ubak sanbor. Hadian ubak sanbor ula pli pat ba ru ya ka pankhana pat ba Red Cross ya kabalate da ka Shillong Municipal Board ding ba ka Swachh Bharat Mission kabakot sanlak tingka.
Tenang bertaga jing don kam jong pi ya ka su ko ru MLA jukle. Takadaw mentabal pensuk ya ka su ko jong pi ngan IT no shabi apa officer municipal ban nadu sibit mentangan sedang saya di bang litsu ngan aisan uturga. Ba adin kata seserang pai ba baro bakin sadon nong pun suba. Te ya trailang ai ka ji trailang kaneka kamdai ka pom sile pasar ka di jong pi. Na apor pidon kam ban suban obat jable jang ne te butakit. Mo I appeal to each and every one of you who kindly take care and extend your help and support your cooperation with the municipal board and the corporation to run this toilet and urinal facilities. Here we are surrounded by, if you go to the left side, you are reaching Scout and Guides institution, Pine Mountain School. If you go to the right side, you will see plenty of shop here. This is a Red Cross. We have Sherpi College, we have Red Cross Hospital Dispensary, and downwards you will see there are lots of clinics, and we have also school there, like the Bengali boys, the Bengali girls, schools, and we have the Muslim LP school. And this place is very a busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police booth. Here a police booth has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic, and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students, the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of a discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police booth to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of the Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Pak Prasad, Pak Latyang, and Pak Marngar also, with the headman, members of the Dorbar. Maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up, that place will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak Laban. One more. So with these few words, this police booth, we have spent from the DT grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000, and the public toilet and urinal system. This has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 lakh from the Shillong Municipal Board under the Swachh Bharat Mission. Here in Laban is very different. Always 24/7, be it the Dorpan Silong or the Sengintay, Sengsamla, and the public of our Laban and Greater Laban area, we are giving our full cooperation with the police department or the traffic department to see that we should maintain peace and harmony in this area, and it is our collective responsibility, and I appeal to everyone. We will continue to strengthen our relationship, our cooperation, to see that in the future also will strengthen, to strengthen, be it from the authority of the Dorpan Silong, Sengintay, Sengsamla, the authority of the police department, the authority of the various government mechanism will work hand in hand to maintain always peace, harmony in this beautiful area of Greater Laban area. Thank you. Kublai Shibun.